according to the box directions. 2 box directions. Oh, sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh.
No, it's okay. Oh, by the crack. Good job.
Mix it up. Look at that yummy stuff. It's super gum dum stuff. Super gum dum stuff. Mixer pan. Pour your cake batter about halfway into the pan.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Bake 25 to 30 minutes. Ooh, yum yum. After the cake's cool, have a grown-up to help you flat it down. Yeah, it smells so good. I really want to decorate it right now. Let's decorate!
Squeeze and boop. Squeeze and boop. And you're just gonna keep doing that all the way around. His hands you're gonna squeeze. And yours are littler. Squeeze and boop. Squeeze and boop.
Yeah, that's the best day of my life.
What are you gonna name your monster?
Franken Bart.
What about you, Harper?
Kit Kit.
Kit Kit.
Happy, yours looks so good. Thanks. Yours looks really good too. Now let's taste it to make sure it's good. Let's eat it. Let's eat it. Mm-hmm. Now try the icing.